Welcome, today in front of me REALME C30 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. First, let's just unlock our phone. Let's just once again open the Movies Edge application. So now just we can see here all the available themes which we can apply. For example, let's use the second one. Click here to apply this theme. We can here change the backgrounds of this theme if you want. For example, I'll use this one. Tap here to apply in the right down corner. If you want to hide music controls, you can do that. You can hide this after 10 seconds or just don't hide it. Or here we can also turn on or turn off the notifications from any apps. We can turn on and turn off the date on the lock screen on the LED feature, and we can change here the battery status to show it always while they were charging or just to don't show it. When we'll click here to the 6 icon, we should switch LED to the settings and tap to the always on display. Now we can just change it here from always to while charging, or just when we'll play the music. We can use these two features together or separately. I'll stay with the always. We can change screen timeout here from 1 minute to an hour. We can decrease or increase the brightness level, and we can close the LED by double or by single tap on the lock screen, and also we can set the schedule, the start and the end time of the always on display. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.